BB Naija lockdown: "If you try me, I'll finish you," Katrina warns Watoni as they nearly exchange blows. BB Naija lockdown housemates are going up on each other's faces right now as the first ever fight to have broken out in season 5 of the Big Brother Naija reality show has been recorded. The BB Naija lockdown housemates Watoni and Katrina had a heated argument that can also be described as a verbal fight for various unknown reasons. The two ladies nearly exchanged blows had it not been for the intervention of some other housemates. During the course of the fight, Katrina was seen sending a warning to Watoni to stay clear from her lane and also deceased mentioning her name in her business. Katrina yelled, "She has no right to call my name like that. I will not tolerate that nonsense. Let her keep calm and avoid me. I don't know why my name was called in the first place. If you try me, I will finish you." These BB Naija 2020 housemates have lots of fire in them. No one saw this fight coming. Katrina and Watoni quickly went from 0 to 100 in less than 2 minutes over something minute as calling someone's name. I think this is only the beginning, as today is going to be their first BB Naija Saturday party, and from previous edition of the show, most fights happen after their night party. What do you think about the BB Naija lockdown housemates and the fight between Katrina and Watoni? Kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.